Sanibonani njalo zihlobo nabangane. Sesibuyile njalo kuhlelo lethu Indoni Yamanzi nowenu u-African Fairy, ne? Ngiyaxolisa ukube bengihambile isikhathi esidenyana. Kodwa ya sengikhona manje. Anginelahlanga, angililahli futhi, angisuke ngalilahla futhi, angithi. Manje okay, siyamukele inhliziyo ezinhle, ezimhlophe, ezinokukhanya, ezinokuthula, ezihamba ngothando, angithi. Ngoba lana ekhaya Endoni Yamanzi asifuni ubudlwangu njalo asifuni imoya edunga ukuthula njengoba sihlala sisho, angithi. So samukele imoya ehleli phansi enokuthula ngoba ukuthula ngumvuzo oza ngemva kokusebenza okukhulu. Yinto okungamele siyithathe ngeze, yabona? Yeah. So how are you? Nina elikhuluma isiNgisi, enizwa isiNgisi. How's been the life? How's been life? So we're welcoming you to the Indoni Yamanzi family, and we are welcoming the energies of love and light because and peace, especially peace, because peace comes after a struggle usually. And we all know the history of our countries. Peace comes after war, so we don't take our peace for granted, is it? So right now we are tomorrow. I came just now I hope this video is able to download today on the 28th of November. No, not to download, to upload. Oh God. I hope this video is able to upload today on the 28th of November 2025. But the year is not really important. However, this message is still timeless, but most relevant to 28 November 2025. Ngoba kusasa siqala le season le ebengikhuluma ngayo ngenkathi mangibuya. Ningixolele nene, angazi ngathi anyway, izinto zenyama asikho important. Angisuke ngixolise ngento ezingabalulekanga ngalesi sikhathi imakancane. So bengithi we are currently entering the star sign of futures, the 13th star sign ebenginitshela ngakhona ukuthi yakhishwa, angithi they considered it unimportant. Ukuthi le star sign le imechana ne 13th calendar ekhona, the original 13th calendar ebeyikhona lana, the one that Ethiopia still uses. There are some countries abasasebenzisa i-calendar enenyanga eziwu-13, angithi. So the star sign esingena kuso manje kumele bathi currently Sagittarius, mara stay with me singalahlekelana. Okay, so manje we are coming from Sagittarius, so I'm sure it's gonna be a bit of a ruffle emqondweni for other people abasebejwayele the old calendar system. Obviously vele is gonna new information has a way of shaking us up. Please forgive me if there's echo. I hope liyangizwa kahle even if there's echo, but I hope the sound is perfect for everyone. Ngoba lana kuse Indoni Yamanzi yonke into ihamba kahle. Wonke umuntu omlandela Indoni Yamanzi impilo yakhe ihamba ngendlela okumele ihambe ngakhona, naloyo muntu ulapho okumele abe khona ngalesi sikhathi okumele abe kuso angithi uma uhamba ngokukhanya kwala ekhaya, hayi wena obukelele ukuthi usafunani lo manje. If your energy is opposing this, hayi angazi uzobonana naloyo ngithumile nomdala wezinsuku. Let me not get off topic angithi. So bengithi I hope niyangizwa kahle ngoba I think kungabe kune echo la ngikhona angithi. It's my new studio that I'm trying out. So akunalutho, so you might be hearing an echo angithi. Bengisathi, so the season esikuyo manje according to the zodiac star signs ne, is supposed to be Ophiuchus or Ficus or PHICC or HUS, or there's no H, there's just a US, I'm not sure, but it's like that. That's the thing. So we are currently on that particular star sign. No, starting tomorrow ne. Ngifuna ukuthi umamele ukuthi why kubalulekile lokho ne. Remember ngachaza ukuthi leya star sign icontrolwa the spiritual aspects ne. It controls the unseen parts of the world ne, of the, not just the world, of the universe. Yes. So Ophiuchus controls the unseen world ne? Those people who are born from tomorrow up to the 17th of December, but I'm not sure how accurate is this time frame, the time frame of the dates ukuthi iqala nini iyophela nini. I think because vele sokunokundikindiki esokenzakele, there's been some alterations of information, so it might not be truly accurate. But the reason why I'm delivering it now is important to people abangena kuma holidays, those who are traveling ne. Ma uzo travela mamele lana, even nje isikhathi lesi singena kiso lesi niyazi ukuthi there is lots of accidents ezenzakalayo around this time. Around holidays, the road accidents, vele into eziningi, but mostly the road accidents that happen around this time, or any kind of misfortune event efana ne death ofana nokufa ne. So around this time of the year, there's usually a large situations zokufa ne, like there's more death kunokufa okuningi okwenzakala around this time. And mina unozi cabanga and put information together ne? This is what I've seen, because right now we've discovered, or we've found out, that there is supposed to be 13th months, right? There is supposed to be 13 zodiac signs. So this particular zodiac sign that is missing, or that is not important to be included on, but surprisingly controls the unseen parts of the universe. And then that is the spirituality, the spiritual aspect of the universe. So us in the world, we are made to believe that things are just the way that they are, like istulo, or ipeni, or just the monetary, financial, indlu, my family. We have been made to just squeeze our eyes to just only see izinto ezizibona ngamehlo and believe ukuthi yikho lokho okukhona emhlabeni, or ngesilungu it is, that's all that there is for this entire universe to be in functionality. But that's a total lie, because you and I know, so babili wena nawo ubhekile or sibathathu or sibangaki millions who are watching me, you and I both all know there is the spiritual aspect of the universe. Ngoba wena nami, we are spiritual beings. We are not flesh. This, I disregard this on purpose. I want to. That's the reason why I want or I appear more natural as I possibly can. Not that I don't want to adorn myself and make myself look pretty, but I came to the point where I wanted to teach myself this is just the flesh. I'm not this thing. Ayibalulekanga lento le, iskini, yamathambo or yimoto nje. So the same way maybe in amadoda yabona athanda ngakhona imoto zabo yabona iyapolishwa iyabanjwa nje for no reason, even if umuntu akayindawo mara you see, you can take care of your body the same way men take care of their toys, because they prioritize them as their vehicle. It takes them from A to B. I don't know why it holds that much value. But the way a woman, mina umfazi, I value my body in that extent. This is me. That's why I'm gonna put whatever I believe makes me look presentable, look pretty in terms of my standards, not the world standards. That's very important. Whatever you are putting on yourself, making yourself look, sensual and looking all, beautiful. Yeah, yes. I don't even know why I had to go all the way just to look for the word beautiful. Noma yini oyenzayo ukuthi uzenze ube muhle, makube yinto ophuma kuwe enhlizweni yakho ukuthi mina kimi ubuhle, into engiyibona inhle, into eyenza kanje, engenza kibe kanje, hayi into obone ngathi umhlaba uthi yiyona ubuhle, angithi. So ngithi mina ngike ngama ngaleyo ngoba nami angazi ngike ngakhuluma ngayo ukuthi bengiyithathela phezulu into zabo frontal, ngifuna iwig yami frontal, but I had to stop and ask myself what is it for? Ngeyani frontal? Ngeyani ama eyelashes? I'm not saying izinto lezi zi wrong, but mina ngase bengifuna ukuthi ngizikhumbuze ukuthi angisinguyo mina lo ubuso bami lo buyobuso nje. It's just so that wena ukhona ukubona ukuthi there is a soul ngaphakathi kwami, kunomoya ngaphakathi kwami, ne? There is a spirit being ngaphakathi. So for you to be able to touch this spirit being, this is what you have to see, but this is not me. So I can't cry to the world ukuthi I have a big nose, or I have angazi whether my ears are big or small, or my eyes are big or small, or my smile is whatever. It's not things that should stress me out, because this is not me. This is just the spirit. This is le inyama nje. Yikho mangishona nithatha emhlabathini ningigqibela ngithi. Right. So I'm still trying to drill how much less important the material world is, ne? Sisemhlabeni yebo, kodwa why sisemhlabeni? Sukwazi buza lokho ukuthi ufunani emhlabeni? What is the reason why usemhlabeni? Usemhlabeni ukuthi ube ngowasemhlabeni, o kunendawo la uyakhona usesemhlabeni? So depending on your answer for imbuzo lo engubuzile, you will know how to use the information engizoyikhuluma lana ngithi. So mina abantu abafana nami bakholelwa ukuthi we are not just emhlabeni ukuzohlala emhlabeni and then sishone. We believe ukuthi there is a greater purpose why sisemhlabeni, angithi. And that greater purpose, sonke sinendawo okumele sidlale in that greater purpose yokuba kwethu la emhlabeni, angithi. So isizathu sokuba semhlabeni, or the reason why silana emhlabeni, to me, it's got more to do with our spirituality, who we are spiritually, than inyama le. So abantu abafana nami, we believe ukuthi the flesh, yes, we have to enjoy the pleasures of the flesh. Ngoba sisemhlabeni, we are here to enjoy the fruits of the land and live life in abundance, but not be distracted by the things of the world. Singazunguzungelisi endleleni, singaphumi endleleni ngento zenyama because sesibone ngathi yizo. It's just delicacies to enjoy while we are enriching our souls. Okay, so angazi ukuthi abanye benu nibona ngathi i-idea of marriage is what. So I wanted to liken it to an example ukuthi ukuba kwethu la emhlabeni kufana nomshado, ne? We love umshado ngokufeza uthando, angithi, phakathi kwabantu ababili asebekhethe ukuba bonke, angithi. So umshado ngokufeza ubuhle bobudlelwano bomuntu owesilisa nomuntu owesifazane, angithi. Kodwa kunama delicacies aza naloku budlelwano, ne, awufana nengane zokuthi yazi we can have children and we enjoy those children. Niyazi ukuthi nibathanda kangakanani or sibathanda kangakanani abantwana bethu, angithi. But you are not your child, ne? Your child is something that adds value to your marriage because it enhances the marriage experience, and it's a marriage experience enhancer. Those are our kids, ne? So that same way, that same aspect, emhlabeni, the luxury is in zethu where we live. Even izindlu zethu where we live, imali, our cars, these are delicacies to enjoy, food or whatever, but food is just a necessity though. Those are things that we're just supposed to enjoy while we are enriching our souls, expanding as human beings, doing what we came here to do on earth. And what is that? African Fairy, what is it that we came here to do emhlabeni according to your knowledge, wena? All right. So to me, Mina, I believe earth, ne, la emhlabeni, we are here on a school to learn different lessons. And different souls have different lessons to learn lana emhlabeni, ne? So every soul is going to be presented with its different life circumstance, life situation, to help it to grow closer to love, grow closer to the soul's true blueprint. Ukhule ube seduze nothando, ukhule ube yilokho umdala wezinsuku akulethele ukuthi ube yikho khona la emhlabeni. Ukhule ube yilokho okumele ube yikhona uma kungasizinto eziningi, uzithole ukuba wena ungubani, the real blueprint of your soul ulandeni la emhlabeni. Ngizokutshela ukuthi kubaluleke ngani ukuthi uzazi ukuthi ulandeni la emhlabeni, ngoba konke kubalulekile. It's not akusiyize neze nje, ne, angithi. So sibambe lapho. So all this is to say ukuthi the spiritual world, the spiritual part of our lives is very, very important. So I understand ukuthi why omunye umuntu uzodecide ukuthi a certain sign which controls the unseen world, the spiritual aspect of the world is not important. Ngoba mina ngikholelwa ukuthi i spiritual world exists first singakabi inyama. There's the spiritual aspect first before anything manifests into the physical. So why would umuntu angitshela ukuthi this thing is not important and then decide ukuthi they should hide it or whatever? Ne? Question mark. I want you to get used to the habit of questioning things. Ayikho into wrong, akuna abomination ukuthi wena ubuze umbuzo wento ongayi-understandiyo. uNkulunkulu ongakuvumela ukuthi ubuze izinto. To me that sounds like a prison. That's someone that is controlling you, who does not want your mind to operate in a free manner. Nami ngiyazi ngisho lento le ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi nami bengistruggle ngesikhathi ngiphuma ukuthi I don't want to be identified as a Christian, ukuthi ngiphila as in certain ways, then there are certain things that I don't do and there are certain things that I shouldn't ask because they are an abomination. It was so hard for me. Ngiyakhumbula ngenkathi ngisithi angifuni ukuya esontweni, ngiyeza ukuthi ngilobizo lokuthi ngingasayi esontweni, ngihambe indlela yami ngedwa, ukuthi benginokwesaba and bengisaba because kunezinto ebengingazazi, 1, and 2 bekunezinto ebengibone ngathi into okungamelanga ngizibuze, they are wrong, and there's that fear, man, of venturing into something that you have been told isikhathi eside ukuthi lento le wrong, lento le wrong. So I want you to free yourself from that thinking capacity ukuthi kunento wrong okungamelanga uyibuze, because uzofunda kanjani mawungabuzi, ne? I know that feeling. Even in the classrooms there are certain people, Nama was one of them, ukuthi mangise classini angikhona ukuthi ngiphakamise isandla sami ngibuze umbuzo ngoba ngibone ngathi maybe umbuzo wami stupid, maybe umbuzo wami awuhlakaniphanga, abazongihleka abanye ukuthi yo ubuza umbuzo yazi. Then manje mangikhula sengizifundisile ukuthi ngiyabuza akuchaza ukuthi ngisiwula, ukuthi ngiyabuza akuchaza ukuthi ngihlakaniphile, ukuthi ngifuna ukwazi kahle or ngifuna ukubamba kahle lokho engifuna ukuthi ngikuqondisise kahle. I want to understand, not just to understand, but I want to understand from inside. So as ngikhula sengibone ukuthi it's so much easy ukuthi ngibuze ngoba yikho lana ngikhona ukwenza kahle izinto zami with smooth or flow transition, ne? So ungasabi ukubuza, ungasabi ukwenza ingqondo yakho ikhululeke ukuthi uthole information oyidingayo emhlabeni or empilweni yakho usahamba, angithi. So this officious star sign is starting tomorrow, ne? And then in a weird way or ngendlela engaqondisiseki kahle, lesi star sign si controller the unseen world, the spiritual world, ne? I want you to go with me because now maybe uzosizeka kulento le ngifuna ukuyikhuluma. It's the spiritual world, and mostly this is the same time where there are more accidents and deaths, ne? Why? Because the veil is most thin at this time of the season or empilweni. The spiritual world and the physical world are mostly like one, ne? They are one. The veil between the spirit world and the physical world is very thin that we can see. We are to hamba endleleni, uyakhona ukudumana lo moya womuntu ongasekho la emhlabeni. Niya understand ngithi ukuthi ngichaza ukuthini. So uma isimo sinjalo sichaza ukuthi you can manifest easily, ne? Umhlaba wabantu abangekho lana or umhlaba wezinto ezingabambeki or the spirit world, angazi ukuthi ngichaza ngithini about the spirit world. Lo mhlaba lo esiubonayo, umhlaba ongabambeki, lo mhlaba obonakalayo kuyadumana, ne? So this is the time where things can manifest easily. Yikho ngifuna ukuchaza, ne? Isikhathi lesi esikiso yo into izinto zifezeka kalula angithi ngoba umhlaba lo moya kuyabambeka. So wena mlaleli okumele ukwenze ngalesi sikhathi, phakamisa imvikelo yakho, phakamisa imvikelo yakho, khuphula imithandazo yakho, khuphula ubuntu bakho ngalesi sikhathi, ngoba kunemimoya eminingi evunguzayo. Eminye imimoya ngengafuni ukuthi wena uphumelele, eminye imimoya ngefuna ukukucima nje ukuthi ungabi khona la emhlabeni. Ngalesi sikhathi kuyafezeka izinto eziningi ngawe, whether uyazi kumbe awazi. Ngalesi sikhathi esikuso lesi abathi yi-officials, akunandaba igama, kodwa wena sowazi nawe angithi sesikubhekile thina ngamehlo, whether igama likhona or alikho, sesikubhekile thina ngamehlo sabona ukuthi hayi man, khona ukushaya amanzi around lesi sikhathi lesi kusukisela kumakuthi kusiyafika lesi sikhathi. Kuvame ukushona abantu abaningi, kuvame ukuba nezinto eziningi ezingane aziqedisiseki kahle. I think I needed to slow down vele laphayana. So waze angithi nawe nami ngiyazi. So wena phakamisa imvikelo yakho, whether mawungumthandazi isikhathi sokuqina emthandazweni lesi, ma ungumuntu oziphakamisayo, angazi ukuthi you do ama-meditation practices, I am affirmations, ukuthi uzazi ukuthi ungubani, isikhathi sokuziqinisa lesi, ukuthi ungavunguzwa yimimoya evunguzayo ngalesi sikhathi lesi esikuso lesi angithi. And then ukuthi uzivikele ne around isikhathi lesi ne, nawe kumele ubheke ulimi lwakho ukuthi yikho ngithi uzikhuphule ne. So unakekele ukuthi ukhulumani wena, what is your tongue prophesying ne, because this is when you can manifest angithi yiyo lesikhathi lesi izinto zifezeka kakhona. Okushoyo ngolimi lwakho, okushoyo ngomlomo wakho kuyafezeka around this time. So nanzelela ukuthi kuthiwani ngawe around, ngoba umlomo, whether ngumlomo wami or ngumlomo kamakhelwane, uyafeza izinto. Siyazi sonke lokhu ngoba yikho uthandaza ngomlomo angithi. Ma unguthi ngumuntu othandazayo, uthandaza ngomlomo. Yikho iBhayibheli lizokhuluma kakhulu ngomfazi okhulumayo, ukuthi kungcono ukuthi indoda iyehlala ngaphezu kwendlu nokuthi ihlale nomfazi ophethe la. Ngcono indoda iyehlala enkangala kunokuthi ihlale nomfazi ophethe la. Umlomo uyakha kumbe uyabhidliza. Thina singabantu bomoya, zonke izinto esizikhulumayo ziyafezeka. Ngihlala ama-video amayeqala bengikhuluma ukuthi yithi onkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uthi mkhulu angithi. Sikhuluma ngomkhulu kamkhulu. So yithi onkulunkulu bakhona abalamandla ukuthi bethi let there be light, then kube nokukhanya. Yithi esithi asakhe, siyakhona ukwakha ngemlomo. So ngalesi sikhathi lesi esikuso lesi, kunomunye umuntu ongakuthandiyo okhuluma kabi, ofuna wena ushone, ofuna wena ugule, ofuna wena inotho yakho ishabalale, ofuna wena ungene ejele, ofuna wena kungabi kuhle ngempilo yakho. Mamela ke, phakama wena ngelakho izwi elilamandla okudlilwa amanye amazwi akhuluma ngawe. Ukhulume kahle ngempilo yakho. Start speaking good things over your life wena, and speak life over your life. The power of life lies in the tongue. Life and death, they lie in the tongue. Whose tongue? If wena ungakhulumi ukuthi wena ungubani, omunye umuntu uzokhuluma ngawe ukuthi yena ubone ngathi ungubani wena. angithi. So uma mina ngiyehluleka ukuthi ngizichaze ukuthi who am I mina, if I don't know my own story, if ngingazazi ukuthi ngingubani, mamela mlaleli, uma ngingazazi ukuthi ngubani, omunye umuntu uzokhuluma istory ngami esizofezeka ngami uma mina ngingazikhulumi esami story ukuthi mina ngingubani. If I don't speak life into my own story, if ngingakhulumi ukuphila ukuthi mina ngiyindodakazi yakabani bani edume ngokuthi mina inhliziyo yami imhlophe, mina engithanda abantu, mina enginenhliziyo exolayo, mina enginothando olungazunguzeki, mina engiyamukela isiphiwo sami engisiphiwe ngomdali ukuba sifeze lokho kumele sikufeze la emhlabeni, mina engibona izinto ezijulile ezingaphezulu kwalokho okubonwa ngabanye abantu, mina engazi ukuthi ngilande ukuzoyefeza ini la emhlabeni. Uma ngingasikhulumi lesi story mlaleli, kunomunye umuntu ozokhuluma ngami ukuthi angiphushelele. So uma bengingazikhulumi lezi zinto nami kuzofezeka lokho okukhulunywa ngulowo muntu ngami. Ngithini mlaleli? Ngithi kimi zazi ukuthi ngubani, ukhulume futhi ukuthi ungubani, ukuze ungazunguzeki ngamazwi abanye abantu ababhala izitori ngawe, babhala inganekane ngawe. If you don't know who you are, if you don't know your own story, another person is going to write a story about you and they are going to kill you in their story. Don't be shaky in the foundation of who you are. Don't be shaky in the foundation of what you stand for. Especially if you are standing for truth, stand on truth and stand firmly. That's your protection there. Uzivikela kanjalo. This isikhathi lesi siyasazi sonke, whether sinegama or asinagama. Wena phakama ke manje uqala ukukhuluma, udeclare ukuthi ungubani wena, and uzivikela uzulu into ade bengizikhuluma ngami ukuthi mina ngingubani, ngikhuluma izinto ezihambisana nokukhanya ngoba amandla asekusondelelene nokukhanya. Ngime phambi kwakho lana, impilo yami ivikeleke ukuthi mina ngisondelela ukukhanya more than ubunyama. Bakhona abantu abavikelwa yibunyama, ukuthi umuntu sehambele ebunyameni ngezinga lokuthi usenamadimoni amvikelayo or namadimoni amphumelelisayo, inotho yakhe uyiphiwa ngizinto ezihamba ngobunyama. Kunemazinga amabili emhlabeni, kunobunyama kunokukhanya. Zazi ukuthi wena ume kuphi, ume ekukhanyeni or ume ebunyameni, ngoba ma ungaphakathi naphakathi uzophephulwa yibunyama, ngoba ubunyama buyathatha impilo, angithi. So ma usondela ebunyameni, sondela ebunyameni, ma usondela ekukhanyeni, sondela ekukhanyeni, kodwa ukwazi ukuthi kumele uthole ukuvikeleka. Uma ukukhanya ukuthi usondela ekukhanyeni kubonakala ngalezi zenzo lezi zokuthi uwenza kanjani ngalezi zinto bengikhuluma ngazo ukuthi ngama-7 deadly sins. Bathi yini? Izono eziyisikhombisa: ubunhlungwane, umbelesi, ukungalingani lamandla abantu. Izono eziyisikhombisa: ingasenzo eliyimfihla, umbelesi, umthungo nokukhanya. Angazi ne-understand, ngike ngayigugulisha ukuthi yini ama-7 deadly sins ngesiZulu or ngesindebele. So yiyo le mpendulo engiyitholile ukuthi udlilona kanjani ke manje ngazo lezi zinto. I-pride, ukuziqhenya ngokweqile, ukuzigqaja. Ma usiza ekukhanyeni nge-pride, kumele uzithole ukuthi wena ne-pride you have healthy self-worth when it comes to pride. Ukuzethemba, kuba nesithunzi esihle, then usuvikelekile lapho, uyazi ngoba uma ungeza ngangale kwe-pride ukuthi wena ufuna ukuzibonakalisa ukuziqhenya uziqhenyele okweqile or ube nokuzigqaja. Umuntu osehamba ngaleli zinga ngumuntu osehambela ebunyameni. Wena ofuna ukuhamba ngokukhanya unokuzehlisa okunengqondo, not lokhu futhi ukuthi awusazazi ukuthi wena ngubani usuzehlisa kakhulu. Kumele ukuzehlisa kwakho kube healthy self-worth, ube nokuzethemba, nokuthi kube kushiye ube nesithunzi esihle. Angithi angifuna ukukhuluma ngihlala ngifuna ukuthi uma ngikhuluma ngingaqeliseli ku-30 minutes, kodwa Nkosi yami ulimi lolu. So ngifuna ukuthi uma lingena kuma-holiday ningene ninolwazi ukuthi kumele uzivikele. Nguwena kuphela ongakhona ukuzivikela ngowakho umlomo. Angithi and ngifuna ukuthi senze i-series ukuthi ngilichazele kahle ukuthi sinqoba kanjani ngokweqela ekukhanyeni, ngoba you can only conquer when you come to the light. So ngizonifundisa mina ukuthi uma ngikhuluma ngezinto lezi ukuthi there's pride, there's envy, umona ne, there's wrath, anger, intukuthelo, ulaka ne, sloth, ubuvila obunzima, ukunganyakazi empilweni ne, there's greed, ubudla, ukuthi umuntu uthiwa yisidli, isifiso esinganele or esingagcwaliseki, ukufuna kakhulu, that's greed. There's gluttony ne, ukudla ngokweqile ne, noma over enjoya, ukweqisa ekushoneleni injabulo, ukuthokozisa umzimba ngokweqile, like ukweqisa ekuthokoziseni umzimba. Yizinto esilwa nazo lezi mangikhuluma ngama-7 deadly sins. Then there's last, isifiso sobulili esiqinileyo, ukuhleqwa ngendlelo engalawulwa. So sizokhuluma kabazi ngazo lezi zinto lezi ze-7 ngoba yizo esithiwa ngazo. Kunesisho isaga esindebeleni or isizulweni ukuthi zithiwa ngezikudlayo. So the only way abazokususa ngakhona ekukhanyeni ukuthi bekuphonsele izinto ezikukhubayo wena. Bayakwazi ukuthi wena unolaka or kini vele kunethunzi lolaka. So uzothiwa ngalokho wena weak ngakhona ukuthi uwele phansi, then uma ususelakeni laphayana awusavikelekanga ngoba awusekho ekukhanyeni. So kumele wena uqine ngokuthi ulaka lungakucontrol, ungacontrolwa yi-anger. Don't let the emotions control you. Uyizwe imuzwa ukuthi ngikwatile, kodwa ukwazi ukuthi angisiyikho lokhu kukwata mina, ukuvumele ukukwata kuphume kuwe. Ungavuma abantu bekuthiye ngalezi zinto lezi: pride, envy, anger, wrath, sloth, greed, gluttony, lust. But ngifuna sambe sonke. So subscribe lana kuNdoni Yamanzi. Ngizozama ukuthi nami ngize ngcono than ngendlela bengiza ngakhona. Maybe ngifuna ukuthi maybe senze all these 7 in a space ukuthi ithi ngingafaki imngcele yokuthi ngizoza nini, kodwa ngizoba more frequent ukuthi ngizothumela. Today tomorrow ngizokhuluma nge-pride ukuthi pride isivimba kanjani, then maybe day after tomorrow ngizokhuluma nge-envy ukuthi envy isivimba kanjani, wena unqobe kanjani. Kodwa ngalesi sikhathi please, this is yabona ukuza kwami lana mina ne, it's not a joke, ngoba mina vele angithandi indaba zokuvezeka kuma TV ukuthi abantu bebelokho bangibona yangibona nawe ukuthi yangilungiselanga ukuthi mina ngumuntu ofuna ukubona. So uma ungibona ngivela lana ngizama ukukunikeza impilo wena ongimamele ukuthi zivikele kanjani impilo yakho, inotho yakho, umndeni wakho uzivikele kanjani. So uma ubona mina ngizama ukukunikeza ama-tools or izikhali zokuthi uzivikele empilweni. Lesi sikhathi lesi kunabantu ababhiza ngezinto ngamandla omoya, ngoba niyazi ukuthi singabantu bemoya, ngizophinda futhi singabantu bomoya. So ukuthi umuntu akukhiphe lana emhlabeni ukukhipha ngomoya. So kunabantu abayenza iziga or ngithi magic. So i-magic is not wrong, ngoba nawe ngokukhanya, uma ngizohambela ngokukhanya, ngokuzehlisa, ngokunaka ukuthi ucansi lwami ngilwenza kanjani ngobungcwele, into zami ngizenze, ngiyafika ezingeni lokuthi ngifuna ukwenza i-magic yesibusiso, sokuthi ngikhulume izwe lilodwa umuntu impilo yakho ivele ivuleke. That is magic, ne? This is the power of manifestation, ukuba nguwe kwakho. So abanye abantu bamanifesta ubunyama, abanye bamanifesta ukukhanya, angithi. So be sensitive ngalesi sikhathi. It's a very thin line with spiritual world. There's a very thin veil between the spirit world and the physical world around this time. If you are not taking me seriously, that's your own life nawe impilo yakho. Kodwa uma wena ungizwa ukwazi ukuthi uyakudinga ukuvikeleka ngalesi sikhathi, hloma izikhali. Awudingi into eziningi, awudingi ukuthi uye ebantwini uyebona ama-profit, uyebona ini. Wena ngishilo ukuthi uNkulunkulu igama eliphuma ekuthini mkhulu kamkhulu, nguwe lo umkhulu. Your ancestors are living in you. You have so much power with your words. All you need ukuthi uzikholelwe wena ukuthi ungubani. Believe in who you are, but in the light side. Abanye laba bayenza ubumnyama bayabazi ukuthi bona abadala babo bebehamba ngobunyama, and their ancestors babayenzisa izinto zobumnyama ukuthi babulale abanye abantu, ubenze abanye abantu bebe lokukhubeka empilweni ngobumnyama, ngoba bayawazi amandla abahamba ngawe. Wena ongazi, nguwe ngikhuluma nawe ukuthi nawe vuka. Uma ufuna ukuconnecta ngobunyama uzoyazi indlela, angiyazi indlela yokuconnecta ngobunyama. Mina ngikhuluma ngalabo bafuna ukuconnectwa ngendlela yokukhanya, ukuthi ngikutshela ukuthi amandla angaphakathi kwakho, as long as you believe in God, which is believing in God. Ngihlala ngitshela ukuthi God is the condition of your heart. So if you are going to be dwelling more on the light side or on the truth side, anything that you say manifest to the good of abantu abasempilweni yakho or yakho wena, ngoba you are representing God. You are God. Ungumphefumulo kaNkulunkulu wena ophakathi kwalo mzimba lo, nguwe uNkulunkulu. Anginandaba ukuthi omunye umuntu uthini ngawe. Wena unguNkulunkulu. You are God of your life. So stand up, rise up and speak life over impilo yakho wena. And nizwile ngithi ukuthi sengilontshile my company iNdoni Yamanzi. It's not officially running in a systematic way. Ngisalungisisa manje ukuthi ngikhona ukungena ku system and look everything kahle. Kodwa okwamanje ngisarana the not free, discounted services. Ma ufuna ukukhuluma kunento ufuna ukungibuza yona, ama details I've advertised them on my social media platforms. So reach out to me and ask ukuthi how can I handle this? I am here. Indoni Yamanzi is a safe space for you for whatever ofuna ukwenza, whether it's emotional outlet, career guidance, relationship let out, angazi clarity, relationship clarity, anything that you want to do, click here, Indoni Yamanzi. Angithi